In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate characters in Artflow AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a static character and turn it into a short, polished animation using clear prompts and a few essential settings. First, log into Artflow AI using your usual secure method. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace where your projects and assets are accessible. Make sure you're on a stable connection so your changes save smoothly as you work. Next, select your character. You can choose one you've created before or pick from your available options. Aim for a character image that's clean and well framed, ideally with a clear view of the face and body. A neutral or readable pose tends to animate more naturally, and consistent styling helps the system interpret motion without visual glitches. Now click on Create a Video. This opens the animation interface, which is where you'll set up what the character will do and how the camera will move. Think of this as your director's chair. You're about to describe the scene in words, so the tool can build the motion for you. If you have a specific ending in mind, add a last frame if needed. The last frame acts like a target pose or a finishing shot the animation can settle into. For example, if you want the character to end in a close-up smile or a heroic stance, set that still as the last frame. It helps with continuity and gives the animation a satisfying conclusion. Now type in your prompt. Keep it structured and specific. Describe the camera motion, any scene changes, and the character behavior. Short, clear phrases usually work best. For camera motion, try directions like slow dolly in, gentle pan left to right, or handheld shake for energy. For scene changes, state them plainly, such as cut from interior office to nighttime street. For character behavior, use present tense verbs. The character waves, turns, smiles, then starts walking. If timing matters, add brief cues like after 2 seconds or at the end. Focus on 1 or 2 key actions rather than cramming in too much at once. Set the duration. Choose how long you want the clip to run in seconds. Shorter clips, around 3 to 6 seconds, are great for testing, while a bit longer gives more room for complex moves. Pick what fits your vision and the pacing of your prompt. Finally, click on Proceed. Artflow AI will process your instructions and generate the animation. Give it a moment to finish. If the motion or pacing isn't quite right, remember you can return to your prompt and duration and fine-tune them for a cleaner result.